We have the class on insertion of drugs into body cavity, that is medicated packing in the rectum and vagina. When there is a medical condition for the gynecological patients, these days we have different types of drugs which can be inserted to the vagina. What is the meaning of vaginal instillation? It is the vaginal medication. It is available as suppositories, different types of forms, jellies and creams. The suppository which is inserted into the vaginal cavity, it melts at the body temperature and then distributed and absorbed. To prevent damage, the suppository must be kept preferably in the refrigerator. This is specially used in the post-operative patients. For the pain relieving, we are inserting the vaginal suppository, that will especially in the gynecological surgery and even after LSCS also, as a pain reliever we are using the vaginal suppository. What is the indication for this vaginal insertion of these medicated suppositories? There is a prolonged release and minimal systemic side effects. Like other drugs, the side effects are very less in this case. And increase in bioavailability. It is easily adapted to the human body. There is no reaction. It is use of less total drug than an oral route. Oral route or by the injection, we may have to give more dose comparing to the insertion of these medicated suppositories. First pass metabolism can be avoided in this case, and even self-medication is possible. After going home, if the patient is having some problem, they can use these suppositories at home. What are the disadvantages of such medications? Patients in complaints, because patient may not be understanding how to insert the drug and all. So there comes slight problem, you have to educate the patient. So again, only a few drugs are administered by this way, not all the drugs. For example, under pain reliever, and pain reliever is the main choice of drug. Other drugs are not there. So very minimal types of drugs are available. Variability in drug absorption related with menstrual cycle, menopause and pregnancy can also limit vaginal drug delivery route usage. Influence with the what is that? It influence with the sexual intercourse. During sexual intercourse, this may be interrupting the patient and the couple. And gender specificity. It is mainly used. These suppositories are mainly used in the female diseases like gynecological disorders. So these are the main disadvantages. What are the different types? There are forms, jelly type of forms available. Tablet forms are also available. Let us see what are the different articles required for this insertion of the drug. That is, it is a clean tray containing the following items: medication which is to be administered, non-sterile gloves, Magnetron sheet towel, and whichever drug which is prescribed, vaginal suppository, and vaginal for the vaginal medication, perineal pads to apply, water soluble lubricant, then tissue paper or cotton balls to clean the perineal area, paper bag, kidney tray, and other things which is required is proper lighting should be there. Patient should be comfortable in the bed. I hope you all understood this topic, that is the administration of vaginal suppository in gynecological cases.